Hello and welcome to a product video from the Rauch Möbelwerke in Freudenberg. Today I would like to introduce our X-Tent model to you. It's a two-door sliding door wardrobe in two designs, called frame and line. Within frame, the front consists of the name-giving frame plus 4 center panels. And within line, the door panels go all the way through. Within line, there is also the possibility to design the front variably through the individual door fields. Line 1 means one door is always in mirror, the second optionally in decor, high gloss or colored glass. Or you choose line 2. One door is always in the same as car case color, the other door is optionally in high gloss or colored glass. Line 3 means with a row of sections, as shown here. These are also available in high gloss or like these in colored glass. And line 4. Here the door front is completely single colored, either plain decor, complete in high gloss or in colored glass. Wardrobes with a frame door front are available in 4 widths: 181, 226, 271 cm and 316 cm. The line front version is even available in 5 widths, from 137, 181, 226, 271 and 316 cm. And all these wardrobes are available in 2 heights, 223 and 236 cm. The handlebars you can choose in aluminium color, that means matte, in chrome colored, that's shiny, or car case colored, only for you to choose. Give your wardrobe your personal touch. You can find matching accessories on the display or inside the wardrobe at the showroom. In every car case section there are serial included 2 shelves and 1 hanging rail. Additionally, you can place there some drawer inserts, wardrobe divisions and a variety of storage options. Another special feature of the wardrobe can be a passe-partout frame. These will be available with or without lights. You can find a complete overview in your sales book. Please remember to order the door dampers for the external doors, as this contributes to the longevity of the furniture. With our chest ranges Aldono and Aldono Deluxe, which match our wardrobes from the Orange Plus segment, we offer the Ideal Edition. Aldono is available in decor and high gloss front versions. At Aldono Deluxe, we additionally offer glass fronts. Depending on the front design, we offer a variety of handles, car case colored, as well as aluminium and chrome colored, as well in different handle styles. You can find the entire selection in the sales documents or as sample handles in the showroom of your furniture retailer. With the Lito bed system, every customer can set up a complete bedroom. There is an extensive range of articles here. For example, bed frames with width from 90 cm to 200 cm. The bed length, 200 cm, is standard. However, we also offer a shorter length of 190 cm and access length of 210 and 220 cm. We show the bed frame here with a plinth, which can be combined with the plinth drawers optionally. Alternatively, the bed frame can also be ordered with feet. The beds will be completed by an individual headboard in decor as shown here, or in forks leather or woven fabric. Under the name Lito Plus, We also offer a higher footboard so that we can also meet the needs of customers here. Of course, all beds and chests are available in the same color combinations as your X-Tent slider wardrobe. Did you know that Rauch produces its furniture exclusively in Germany? From the tree to the chipboard up to the finished furniture, everything from one source. We are extremely proud of the variety of our quality labels, and especially for Made in Germany.